Right now, after it rained cats and dogs on Monday in northern Indiana, actual cats and dogs faced a housing problem of great magnitude. An animal shelter in Mishawaka is now in crisis mode after flooding from last night's storms. Water started rising in the dog kennels. When the water began rising, volunteers stepped up and helped save the day.
Volunteers, we had 20 of them show up within minutes of us posting our desperate plea for help and shop vacs. They just showed up and just got to work and stayed late into the night.
Well, that estimated repair costs are reaching about $9,000 right now. The important thing, though, is that none of the animals were harmed. An auction to raise funds for this center was previously scheduled before the storm. Now those funds from the auction may be used for a different purpose.
Oh, wow.